Welcome back to Eating with Soula. Today I've got Martin with me again. Welcome back.
Thank you. Well, thank you for having me.
Soula's life quote 722. An intelligent man will open your mind. A gentleman will open your heart. A handsome man will open my legs.
Poached lemon chicken broth.
Ooh.
We've got some chicken stock boiling here. I've got a litre of chicken stock.
1 litre, lovely.
1 litre. You can either make it yourself.
Yep.
But the easy, quick and tasty way is to buy a litre carton.
I do.
Yeah.
Not always, but most of the time.
Now, this is East meets West. Traditionally, thyme and lemon often goes with the chicken.
lovely,
you
yeah.
put it, mixing with the eastern flavours of star anise and cloves. Can you believe these start out as pink, unopened flower buds, and they dry them and they turn them brown.
Are they expensive?
No, not at all. But these two spices, if you like, they really enhance a protein like chicken or meat. Pop our lemons, 2 lemons sliced, a bunch of thyme.
Yep.
Because we've got a bit of time on our hands.
Well, we do. Well, it doesn't take much time making this dish.
3 star anise, 4 cloves.
Yep.
Give that a little shake.
Oh, lovely.
So we put the 2 chicken breasts into the broth.
So, do they have to be under the broth?
I would prefer them to be under the broth. Let me just see. And once that's boiling, we cover it.
Okay.
And you cover it precisely for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Right,
I've got an
the rice
internal body clock that actually
For
works
exactly
too.
2 minutes.
Oh, it's winding down though, doll. I tell you.
Once you've covered it for 2 minutes and it's been boiling, you take it off the heat and leave it to stand for 10 minutes.
And that keeps cooking in that 10 minutes.
Well, that's your poaching process, and it's the best way to keep your breasts juicy.
Moist.
So we're going to take our chicken breasts out, as you can see. They're nice and firm.
Oh, you can smell that lemon. And...
Let's slice this now.
Oh, you're using a Benzer knife.
It's a knife for all seasons.
Yep.
So what I want you to do, get the brown rice. We'll just
Now, what we've done to save time, viewers, is that we've used a little 90-second rice sachet.
So we just put half of it into the
Half?
bowl.
Look at
Plenty,
that.
plenty,
Yep.
plenty.
Lovely.
So then what I do is I'll place the chicken
Yep.
on the rice.
Oh,
So it's a good portion.
It's quite a good meal.
Here we go. And now we'll pop our lemon broth over the soup.
Oh, look at that.
I was going to say over the soup, but and we'll pop some lemon on there.
Just one will do.
Yeah. It's more for the show. So as you can see, plenty of broth. Not yet, Soula. 1 second, darling.
So I want to try this dish.
There we go. Now I like to put a couple of sprigs of thyme
Oh, a little
on
thyme.
the top. There we go.
Yep, what's that?
Sprinkling of shallots.
Shallots.
Whoops. And quick drizzle
Oh.
of extra virgin olive oil.
Look at that.
There we go.
Oh, okay.
Now, are you going to taste it?
I would love to. There we are. First, I'm
Careful
going.
not to burn your mouth.
No.
'Cause it's
Well, it's been boiling for a while. Well, it's been on. I'm just going to try the broth first. That was a snort. I'm so excited. I'm snorting. Exhilaration. The moment you get so excited about food that you snort like a pig. Oh my
How's
God.
that? Lemony.
It's just, the crunchiness of the brown rice, the lemon essence.
Oh, lemon essence.
Oh my God, quickly, call my agent. I've got to patent that. The lemon essence flavour coming through. I can't stop salivating. Hold on, one
Do you
more.
like the spiciness of the aromatics of the star anise?
Oh, I don't really
and the
care.
cloves?
It's just delicious, dog.
Well, there we've got it.
Can I just try the chicken?
Please do.
Oh, I don't want a whole piece.
Go on. How's that breast? Juicy?
That is juicy, moist. That is stunning. Poached lemon chicken broth by Martin. And as my mother used to say, Soula Marie, cooking should never be a drag. Oh, this is good. I'm having more. It's really tart.
Are you going to share any of that?
No, you can have it from that side. There we go.
Okay. Can feed me.
Oh my God, doll. Oh. Here we are. Who's your mummy, darling? Who's your mummy? Here we are.
Thank you, Soula.
Bye, doll.